Have you heard of the world's smallest flowering plant? Wolffia globosa, a small aquatic plant grown in bodies of water, especially lakes and ponds. Do you know despite its small size, Wolffia is extremely high in nutrients, especially proteins? So this brings us a question. Can we make peptide-based serum out of it?
Hello everyone, we are BISN and we present to you our findings about turning Wolffia globosa into a sustainable plant-based serum.
As you already know, Wolffia is extremely high in protein content, up to 40% by dry weight. It is also known to be nutrient-rich, containing irons or even vitamin B12, which most vegetables don't have. Not only that, it has a rapid growth rate, doubling its mass within 1 to 2 days, making it a highly available protein resource that can be harvested continuously. Peptide serum is known to stimulate collagen production in the skin, improving skin elasticity and firmness, as well as strengthening the skin barrier to enhance hydration and promote repair. Traditional peptide serums are usually made using solvents like DMF and NMP, which are both toxic. Short-term exposure can cause nausea, dizziness, and headaches, while long-term exposure may damage the liver, kidneys, or nervous system. NMP is especially dangerous as it can cause birth defects, miscarriages, or premature labor. These risks make synthetic production a concern for both human health and the environment. Wolffia is mainly studied for its nutritional and ecological roles, yet its application in cosmetic science remains largely underexplored. This is why, in this project, we'll be focusing on extracting its amino acids to create a peptide serum, promoting sustainability.
In order to obtain Wolffia extract, we use a method called dilute acid hydrolysis, which separates large protein compounds into soluble amino acids from fresh Wolffia. We first grind 10 grams of fresh Wolffia into the paste and mix with 50 ml of water. Then we water bath this mixture in order to denature the proteins and make more soluble. Then we separate the residues from the solution by filtration. After filtration, we hydrolyze the filtrate by adding 10 ml of hydrochloric acid into 10 ml of the extract, and heat it in water bath again. This breaks down the proteins into amino acid.
After heating, we neutralize the solution with 0.5 mole of sodium hydroxide solution, adding drop by drop until the pH reaches about 6. We did this by continuously checking for pH using a pH strip. After neutralization, we filtered it again and confirmed the presence of amino acids by adding hydrogen solution into a sample of filtrate and heating it, which will make it turn purple if amino acids are present. Finally, we formulated the amino acid extract into a prototype serum by mixing with humectants such as aloe vera gel, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, and pathanol. The amino acid solution was tested using a hydrogen reagent, which turned purple upon heating, showing that it does contain amino acids. Our results can show that Wolffia can be a promising source of plant-based amino acids for skincare, as our serum has a light, water-based texture and is well absorbed by the skin. When tested on the skin, the serum provided a noticeable hydration and softness without irritation. To confirm its potential, more precise scientific testing is needed, especially on how Wolffia peptides affect the skin hydration in the long term. Collaborating with cosmetic laboratories would be ideal for future research.
Here's before and after. As you can see, the skin was drier before applying the serum.
However, our experiment did face some limitations. Since we didn't have a proper controlled heating system, evaporation during hydrolysis lowered the yield of the extract and diluted the amino acid concentration. This could be improved in the future by using covered beakers or a proper water bath. We also had challenges with adjusting pH. The pH paper we had was very old and yellowed, making it hard to read precise values between 4 and 6. In addition, the extraction was only carried out once, so we can't fully confirm the reliability of our results. While we were able to test the serum for hydration, we couldn't perform other useful tests like moisture content or skin pH due to lack of equipment. Even so, this proves that Wolffia can be a real source of amino acids for skincare. Because it grows rapidly with minimal resources, it stands out as a sustainable, protein-rich ingredient. While it's currently used mainly as food, it has potential in eco-friendly skincare. With further study, this tiny plant could become a powerful ingredient in sustainable beauty products.
Lastly, we are very grateful to our school, who generously fund the registration fee, making it possible for us to present our project, as well as our supervisor for supporting us, kind pharmacists that peer-reviewed our paper, and our classmates who provided us language assistance for the research paper. And thank you for listening.